Hello, everybody. So, we are back again with the lesson The Champ. So, in our last class, we saw a village girl, that's Radha, and she came to stay with her aunt and her cousins in Delhi. She was very happy to spend the vacation in Delhi, but all her happiness was gone away and she was feeling very lonely because her cousins did not want her to be their companion because she was a village girl and they used to tease her also, but her aunt supported her. So let us see what happened, what is going to happen. So all of you look into page number 138. That's the picnic. Let us read it out. We are going for a picnic on the banks of the river Yamuna this Saturday, announced Radha's uncle in the evening when he returned from office. Hooray! Shouted Ranjit and Aman. We will call Gaurav, Neha and Samir also. We'll swim and go for boating. Oh, what fun we will have! The boys were very excited. Radha too was excited and looked forward to the day of picnic. On Saturday, they started early in the morning and by the noon, they were at a beautiful secluded spot on the banks of Yamuna. This place was at the foothills of Shivalik and the blue water of the river was crystal clear. The weather was pleasant and a cool breeze was blowing. After lunch, the grown-ups got busy with their card game, and the children went out to explore the surrounding woods. Radha went with them for a while, but soon she felt out of the place and separated from them. She came back, took a book, and settled down on a big rock near the water edge and started reading. Soon she heard some voice and looked up. She saw Ranjit, Aman and their friends Samir, Gaurav and Neha coming in her direction. So see what happened. They decided to go for a picnic. Radha's uncle and aunt decided to go for a picnic. So, where did they go? They wanted to go on the banks of the river Yamuna. All were excited. Ranjit and Aman were cousins of Radha and they were very excited and they were pleased to call their friends also. So after the lunch, the parents started playing cards and the children went around to enjoy the surroundings. Radha also went with them, but she soon felt lonely and came back and sat on a rock reading the book. Suddenly, she saw Ranjit, Aman and their friends were coming towards her. Let us see what happened. Hey, let's go into the water. It's cold and inviting, suggested Ranjit. Oh goody, what fun, Aman shouted. They wore their swimming costumes. Soon all of them were in the water, shouting and laughing and enjoying themselves. Radha watched them wistfully. A little beyond where Ranjit, Aman and their friends were playing in the water, the current was very swift. Radha saw Aman very near to it. Aman, don't go beyond that big boulder. The current is very fast there, she warned. Don't bother, Radha. We all know swimming and can take care of ourselves, Aman replied carelessly. Radha felt sad and went back on her book. So, what happened? Why are they coming running towards Radha? They wanted to swim in the river and they were hurried to get their swimming suits. And they started to go to swim. And the children were very happy to swim. And Radha noticed that there is danger behind Aman. And she also warned him, Aman, be careful and Aman, be careful and don't go near that current. It makes your life in danger. But Aman did not take care of it and he replied carelessly, you go and look your work. We know swimming very well and you don't teach us. So Radha felt sad again and she started reading her book. And let us see what happened. Look into page number 140. The danger. Aman, come back, you fool. Radha heard the shouts. She quickly looked up and found Aman caught in the current and being carried away rapidly towards the middle of the river. All of the others were shouting, but no one dared to jump into the current. Radha quickly took off her shoes and jumped into the water. When she surfaced, she saw Aman trying hard to swim against the current. But the current was too swift for him and he was finding it difficult to swim against it. Radha didn't find swimming against the current difficult as she was used to swimming in the swift stream in the hills. Soon Radha caught up with Aman. He was shocked and thoroughly exhausted. See, at last it happened as Radha said. Aman's life was in danger. But Radha didn't look forward. She suddenly went and jumped into the river. And she was about to help Aman. And others were afraid to jump into the river. But Radha did not wait for a moment. She started to help Aman. Everybody was surprised with that. And look into the next page number 141, helping hand. Don't panic, Aman, I am here to help you, Radha said soothingly. Just hold my waist with one hand and try to paddle slowly with your feet. I will carry you with me. Aman did exactly what he was told. Radha started swimming back slowly. Now with Aman's weight, it was tough for her to swim against the current. She used all her strength and inched back towards the river bank. By the time she reached there, a big crowd had gathered. Half a dozen hands caught hold of her. Someone said, "Let go of Aman, we are here." Then someone scooped her out of water and laid her down slowly on the sand. She was panting and her throat was dry. She shivered uncontrollably. Someone brought her blanket and wrapped it around her. She closed her eyes. Drink this, she heard her aunt's voice and opened her eyes. Her aunt was holding a mug of steaming coffee. This will give you strength. Radha drank 2 mugs of coffee and felt quite relieved. Hey champ, you are great. She looked up and saw Ranjit looking at her sheepishly. What a swimmer you are. You swim like a fish. But I don't know any style, Radha replied with a tinge of bitterness. Oh, please forgive us, Radha. We eat our words. But I will love to learn your style, your very own style, Radha, said Ranjit and held out his hand to help her. Hand to her. Radha's face glowed with happiness. See what happened? The boss teased Radha very much, but she was a very good swimmer because she started swimming at a small age itself before she studied walking. She first studied how to swim. So her swimming escaped, saved, her swimming saved Aman from being drowned. And all became happy. That was because she was a courage girl. She was a brave girl to save the life of Aman. So it was a very good lesson, right? So you should not tease anybody by looking at them. They will be very brave, they will be better than you. So please don't try to tease anyone. So that was a good lesson, right? So, and this is the end of the lesson, the chant. I hope you all enjoyed it. So, let us conclude here for today and let us meet in the next class. Thank you.